Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing the XOME Real Estate app. Okay, is it actually worth it? I'll give you the pros and cons. The biggest strength is the inventory. What it does is it specializes in foreclosures and distressed, properties. You will not find these on a standard MLS search. The app's interface, okay, as you can see, it is clean. It is straightforward, makes it easy to search, to bid, and even track your properties. There's a lot of filters as well. And by the way, there's the ability to do everything from your phone, including e-signing contracts. Huge convenience for anyone on the go. Now, this app, on the other hand, it can be a bit clunky. Okay, a lot of users have reported crashes, heavily focuses and favors the seller. As a buyer, you have to pay a buyer's premium on top of your bid, and there's no inspection or financial contingency, which puts all the risk on you. There's also some controversy over the company's bidding practices, which some users feel that they are being used to drive up the price. Okay, so just keep that in mind before you make your decision. If you found this helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.